Hello and welcome back to our channel, where design meets inspiration. Today, we're diving into a unique home concept that blends rustic charm with sleek modern aesthetics. Imagine a house made entirely of wood, with clean lines, a flat roof, and a sophisticated gray finish. It's the perfect harmony of nature and modern living. Whether you're dreaming of your future home or just love great design, you're going to want to see this. Let's take a closer look at this modern gray wooden house and its beautiful garden sanctuary. The first thing that captures your attention is the clean silhouette of the home. The flat roof gives it a contemporary edge, breaking away from traditional cabin-style peaks. Its smooth gray wooden exterior creates a striking contrast against the greenery that surrounds it. The overall structure feels both solid and welcoming. This home is designed to stand out while blending beautifully with its environment. It's minimalism with warmth, a rare and beautiful balance. Instead of loud colors or flashy details, this house lets texture and material do the talking. The soft grain of the wood, painted in calm gray tones, adds elegance and serenity. Every surface feels intentional and refined. The flat roof adds not only to the modern aesthetic but also offers potential for solar panels or a rooftop garden. Large, uninterrupted planes of wood give it a timeless architectural quality. It's a house that respects simplicity, yet never feels boring. Windows are a major design feature of this home, allowing nature to be a constant part of the experience. Large, floor-to-ceiling glass panels frame the views like moving artwork. Light floods the interior, creating a bright and airy atmosphere throughout. These windows also blur the line between indoors and out, making the home feel even more connected to its surroundings. Privacy is still respected thanks to strategic placement and smart landscaping. It's thoughtful design that truly enhances daily living. Stepping outside, the garden is like a dream extension of the home. Designed to be both functional and relaxing, it wraps around the house with natural elegance. Think native plants, sculpted hedges, stone paths, and cozy sitting nooks. A variety of textures, from soft moss to smooth gravel, add visual interest without overwhelming the space. The landscaping flows in harmony with the house's gray tones, keeping the overall look cohesive. It's the kind of garden you never want to leave. This garden isn't just for show, it's designed for living. There's space for quiet reflection, weekend brunches, and even evening gatherings around a fire pit. It's low maintenance yet lush, wild in all the right ways. Raised beds could hold herbs or flowers, while hidden lighting adds magic after sunset. Birds and butterflies find their way in naturally, making it feel alive and vibrant. It's a place where nature and comfort come together effortlessly. The house and garden are designed with sustainability in mind. The use of wood as a primary material promotes eco-conscious living. Gray finishes reflect heat more efficiently and weather gracefully over time. Native plants in the garden reduce the need for watering and chemicals. Solar panels and rainwater collection systems can be subtly incorporated into the design. This home doesn't just look good, it does good for the planet. One of the most striking elements is how the house adapts to its environment. Whether built in a wooded area, near the coast, or on a quiet suburban lot, it looks right at home. The minimalist lines allow it to complement rather than compete with its setting. It's an ideal canvas for any landscape. The combination of wood and gray also shifts beautifully with the light throughout the day. Each view feels dynamic, never static. Despite its modern look, this house feels incredibly cozy. The wood brings warmth and personality, softening the bold lines of modern design. You can easily imagine it filled with laughter, music, and meaningful moments. It's a retreat without being remote, a space that feels personal and grounded. It welcomes you in, asking you to stay a while. It's modern living with a soul. The design also encourages movement and flow. Every angle invites you to explore more, with outdoor paths leading naturally around the home. Indoor and outdoor spaces speak to each other, creating a seamless lifestyle experience. There's no sense of confinement, just openness and freedom. It's the kind of place where your daily routine becomes a joy. Every corner tells a quiet story of comfort and intention. This house isn't just about style, it's about feeling. It's meant to inspire creativity, encourage connection, and support well-being. The modern gray wooden exterior sets a calm tone, while the garden reawakens your senses. Together, they create a space that nurtures and restores. Whether you're entertaining or simply enjoying a quiet morning, this home adapts beautifully. It's a lifestyle wrapped in design. Thanks for joining us on this tour of a home that redefines modern wooden architecture. We hope it sparked your imagination and gave you a fresh vision for what's possible. If you love this concept, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home inspiration. We'd love to hear your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. Until next time, stay inspired and stay connected to what makes a house a home. See you in the next video.